Here we have a LED in-tank UV system. The very nice thing with this is you don't have to run high voltage into the tank, which if the tank isn't earthed very well can be a bit of a drama, and you have less power consumption with something like this. The bulb is still about a year run time, but it's actually a very easy to install little setup. So all the components are the bulb, which just has a nut. So you just drill a 1-inch hole into the tank to fit it. And then this connects with, to a 24-volt transformer, and it's only a 14.5 watt. The other components that we have here is a little connection box that you can connect between the bulb's wire and the wire coming from the transformer, and then a box for the transformer. And honestly, it's a very simple setup. And as you can see with this one from the reflection, we've got one installed in the tank here, and it literally took us 30 minutes to set up. So, bulb goes in the tank. In our case here, we have got the connection box on the outside of the utility box here, just to make it easier to change the bulb. And then we have the transformer inside a weatherproof box where our pump is also located. Then looking inside the tank, you can see you've got a nice violet hue here coming from the UV light. Be careful to look at the UV light because it's UVC light, and that can be damaging to your eyes. And then that's just plugged into a normal plug point on this side. And the connection box is simply the DC side of the UV light that goes in, and the DC out from the transformer coming out. And it comes with just a quick connection block inside. You just connect the black wire to the blue wire and the red wire to the brown wire inside this box. And then this just clips closed, and both these boxes can then either be screwed to something like we have here, or you can mount it with wall plugs.